हॅलो नमस्ते विद्यार्थ्यांनो. आज आपण इंटिग्रल ऑफ द फॉर्म पाहणार आहोत. पहिला फॉर्म आहे इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ द फंक्शन पी एक्स प्लस क्यू अपॉन एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी इंटू डी एक्स, अँड सेकंड फॉर्म इज द इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ द फंक्शन पी एक्स प्लस क्यू अपॉन अंडरूट एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी डी एक्स. याचं इंटिग्रल घेताना जो फंक्शन आहे त्याचं आपल्याला एक्सप्रेशन या पद्धतीने करायचं आहे. द इंटिग्रल ऑफ द फॉर्म इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ पी एक्स प्लस क्यू अपॉन एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी इंटू डी एक्स is evaluated by expressing the integral in the form integration of a into derivative of x square plus bx plus c upon x square plus bx plus c into dx plus integration of b upon x square plus bx plus c dx for some constant a and b. The numerator px plus q is equal to, जो न्यूमरेटर आहे तो या पद्धतीने रिप्रेझेंट करायचा आहे, एक्सप्रेस करायचा आहे. ए इंटू डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ डिनॉमिनेटर एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी प्लस बी. दॅट इज द न्यूमरेटर इज इक्वल टू ए इंटू डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ डिनॉमिनेटर प्लस बी. फर्स्ट इंटिग्रल इज इव्हॅल्युएटेड बाय पुटिंग द एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू टी. या दोन इंटिग्रलमधील पहिलं इंटिग्रल आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करत असताना एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी टी पुट करून मग आपल्याला त्याचं इंटिग्रल घ्यायचं आहे. आणि सेकंड जे इंटिग्रल आहे त्याचं इंटिग्रल घेत असताना द सेकंड इंटिग्रल इज इव्हॅल्युएटेड बाय एक्सप्रेसिंग द इंटिग्रल इन द फॉर्म आयदर 1 upon a square plus t square or 1 upon t square minus a square or 1 upon a square minus t square. Second form of the integral of the form integration of px plus q upon under root x square plus bx plus c into dx is evaluated by expressing the integral in the form integration of a into derivative of x square plus bx plus c upon under root x square plus bx plus c dx plus integration of b upon under root x square plus bx plus c into dx for constant a and b. The numerator px plus q is equal to numerator expressed in the form a into derivative of x square plus bx plus c plus b. First integral is evaluated by putting the x square plus bx plus c is equal to t. And second integral is evaluated by expressing the integral in the form either 1 upon under root a square plus t square or 1 upon under root t square minus a square or 1 upon under root a square minus t square, and applying the method which discussed previously. आता याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला एक एक्झाम्पल आपण पाहूया. फॉर एक्झाम्पल व्हॅल्यूड इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ 3x plus 4 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. त्याचं सोल्युशन घेत असताना आपण फर्स्ट वी राईट लेट I is equal to integration of 3x plus 4 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. I mean is the integral, indefinite integral. Denote this, let I is equal to integration of 3x plus 4 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. In this integral 3x plus 4 is the numerator, and this numerator we can express in the form express the numerator 3x plus 4 is equal to a into derivative of denominator is the x square plus 6x plus 5 plus b. Derivative of x square plus 6x plus 5 is the 2x plus 6. Therefore the 3x plus 4 is equal to a into 2x plus 6 plus b. 3x plus 4 is equal to a multiply this bracket and equating the coefficient and constant separately. Therefore comparing the sides and coefficients of like variables and constants. Therefore 2a is equal to 3 and 6a plus b is equal to 4. Therefore value of a is 3 by 2, and put the value of a in this equation. 6 into 3 by 2 plus b is equal to 4. Simplify, we get the value of b is equal to minus 5. Put this value of a and b in the integral first is the integral I is equal to integration of 3y2 into 2x plus 6 minus 5 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. Then separate the integral is the I is equal to 3y2 into integration of 2x plus 6 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 into dx minus 5 into integral of 1 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. This integral denoted by integral first and this integral denoted by the integral 2. Therefore the I is equal to I1 minus I2. Take this equation 1. First we take the integral 1 and find this integral. Is the I1 is equal to 3/2 integration of 2x plus 6 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. Put the x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to t. Therefore differentiate with respect to x both sides. Therefore the 2x plus 6 dx is equal to dt. And find the value of putting all these value in this equation. Therefore I1 is equal to 3/2 integration of 1 upon t into dt. Integration of 1 upon t dt is the log t. Therefore I1 is equal to 3/2 log of t plus c1. Again put the value of t is the x square plus 6x plus 5. Therefore integral of the first I1 is equal to 3/2 log of x square plus 6x plus 5 plus c1. Take this equation second. Then take the second integral I2 is equal to minus 5 integration of 1 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. In this integral denominator is x square plus 6x plus 5. With this denominator expressed in the perfect square, therefore adjust these terms here. X square plus 2 into 3 into x plus 3 square minus 3 square plus 5 means suppose is x square plus 6x, and next term is the form of this a plus b bracket square is a square plus twice ab plus b square. Therefore the a is here x and b is 3. Therefore x square plus 2 into 3 into b, and this is a square here add, and this term is extra. Therefore subtract this is a minus 3 square and plus 5 as it is. Therefore the x square plus 3 into 2 into x plus 3 square is a x plus 3 bracket square, and minus 3 square plus 5 is a minus 4. This also write in the form of x plus 3 bracket square minus 2 bracket square. This value put in this integral second, and then this is in the form of I2 is equal to minus 5 integration of 1 upon x plus 3 bracket square minus 2 bracket square. We know the integral of the function in the form of 1 upon x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Therefore we put here x is equal to x plus 3 and a is equal to 2. Therefore I2 is equal to minus 5 into 1 upon 2 into a is the 2, and log of x is the x plus 3 minus a as it is 2 here upon x plus 3 plus 2 plus c2. Therefore the I2 is equal to minus 5 by 4 log of x plus 1 upon x plus 5 plus c1. Let this equation third. From equation first, second and third we get the answer. Therefore the integration of function 3x plus 4 upon x square, integral of the function 3x plus 4 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 dx is equal to 3/2 log of x square plus 6x plus 5 plus c1 minus of 5 minus 5 upon 4 log of x plus 1 upon x plus 5 plus c2. Simplify this. This is equal to 3/2 log of x square plus 6x plus 5 plus 5 by 4 log of x plus 1 upon x plus 5 plus c. Here c1 minus c2 is equal to c. This is the integral of the function 3x plus 4 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 dx is 3 by 2 log of x square plus 6x plus 5 plus 5 by 4 log of x plus 1 upon x plus 5 plus 6 is the answer of this.